Ethereum cost fundamentally equivalent to $1,881.07 a coin, which really is genuinely critical. The present exchanged cost range, 1,864.26, 1,888.51, which basically is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 1,872.31, or so they explicitly thought. The change sort of was plus 8.76, plus 0.47% in an unpretentious way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ETH in an especially significant way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $18.55, certainly greatest 1985, really least 1725, which by and large is very critical. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $19.56, sort of most extreme 2093, especially least 1819, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $20.18, beautiful most extreme 2159, kind of least 1877, which especially is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $20.37, essentially greatest 2180, least 1894 in a really significant way. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $20.29, exceptionally greatest 2171, kind of least 1887 in an especially large manner. Ethereum figure on Monday, July 3, cost $20.41, sort of greatest 2184, fundamentally least 1898, which basically is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $21.04, really most extreme 2251, certainly least 1957, which sort of shows that the change sort of was plus 8.76, plus 0.47% in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost $21.23, truly greatest 2272, truly least 1974, which truly is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost $20.15, extremely greatest 2156, especially least 1874 in a truly significant way. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $20.11, sort of most extreme 2152, genuinely least 1870 in an especially huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $19.99, really greatest 2139, certainly least 1859, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost $2,000, genuinely most extreme 2140, genuinely least 1860 in an essentially large way. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost $19.04, sort of most extreme 2037, sort of least 1771 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $18.98, greatest 2031, least 1765, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost $19.12, extremely greatest 2046, really least 1778, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $18.58, truly greatest 1988, truly least 1728. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost $19.35, sort of greatest 2070, by and large least 1800 in a significant manner. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, July 19, cost $18.54, most extreme 1984, exceptionally least 1724 in a fundamentally large way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $18.52, kind of most extreme 1982, in every way that really matters, least 1722. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Friday, July 21, cost $18.38, lovely most extreme 1967, essentially least 1709 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $18.83, especially greatest 2015 in every practical sense, least 1751 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $18.71, greatest 2002, certainly least 1740, exhibiting how Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1871, certainly most extreme 2002, least 1740. Which truly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 0.5316 coins per $1,000. Today's reach, 0.5295, 0.5364. The past day's nearby, 0.5341 in an unobtrusive way, change for now 0.0025, 0.47%. So Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $2015, sort of most extreme $2156, least $1874 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH cost figure 4, in the not so distant future and month, so Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $2018, genuinely greatest $2159. Especially least 1877 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, June 26, cost 0.539 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.580, especially least 0.504 in a by and large significant manner. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.511 coins, most extreme 0.550, sort of least 0.478. Which certainly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.496 coins, truly greatest 0.533, most certainly least 0.463, or so they essentially thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost 0.491 coins, especially most extreme 0.528, by and large least 0.459. So Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1871, exceptionally greatest 2002, certainly least 1740, exhibiting how Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1871, for the most part most extreme 2002, for the most part least 1740. Which certainly is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, June 30, cost 0.493 coins, lovely greatest 0.530, genuinely least 0.461, which sort of shows that Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1871, fundamentally most extreme 2002, truly least 1740. Exhibiting how Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1871, by and large most extreme 2002, especially least 1740 in a quite huge way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 0.490 coins, most extreme 0.527. Exceptionally least 0.458 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.475.